Ping pong. Nemo. 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 Nemo.
Ping Pong Car Town. Where should we go today? Let's go!
Ping Pong's ice cream truck. Oh, I'm bored. Is there anything fun to do? That's right! I'll turn my truck into a colorful ice cream truck. And I'll go around town selling ice cream. How about it, friends? Do you want to decorate the truck together? Ta-da! Ice cream truck is complete! I should get going. Ice cream! Come get your ice cream!
1, 2, 3, 4. It's so hot.
Is there anything really cold to help us cool down?
Ice cream is here! Sweet and tasty ice cream is here!
What? Ice cream? Wait for me!
Welcome! This is Ping Pong's ice cream truck! Take a look at the menu and choose your ice cream! Which ice cream would you like? Take your pick!
I'll have my very favorite chocolate ice cream!
Okay, I got your order! Coming right up! It's plain. I think it's missing something. That's right! There's a secret place that makes ice cream more delicious! Let's hurry and go see! Poi poi Ping Pong! Ta-da! This here is the mysterious ice cream factory! This is the only ice cream factory in the world that makes ice cream much more delicious! How about we get this factory moving? Wow! Delicious chocolate chips! Roll, roll! Ooh, a little bit more! More! Wow! The chocolate ice cream became more delicious!
Wow! It's chocolate ice cream! It looks so delicious! I hope you sell a lot of ice cream, Ping Pong!
Thank you! Come visit again! Oh! Hi, Mixer Truck! Which ice cream would you like?
Strawberry? Lemon? Milk? I like them all!
Then, try the colorful bead ice cream. It's mixed with many flavors.
Colorful bead ice cream? Sounds great! I'll have this one, Ping Pong!
One colorful bead ice cream! Ice cream don't making complete! How about we go make this ice cream more delicious? This time, I'm going to make the bead ice cream sweeter and more refreshing! Ooh! It's snowflake sprinkles! This tastes like cotton candy! Like this, and like this! Let's put some refreshing jelly on the ice cream! Ta-da! Colorful bead ice cream is complete! I want to eat it now! Your ice cream is ready! Enjoy!
Wow! It's so delicious! Wow! It's so delicious, Ping Fong!
Come back anytime! Oh, it's Excavator!
What's taking so long, Pink Fong? It's so hot, and I don't think one ice cream is enough.
Sorry. Then let's go pick some ice cream.
I want this one, and that one, and this one. I'm going to eat them all!
Strawberry, lemon, cookies, milk. Wait just a minute.
Hurry! It's taking too long. I can't wait!
Oh no! The scoop is broken! What should I do?
What's going on? Where's my ice cream? Hurry up!
Just a minute!
Oh well. This cool, strong excavator will help you. Just watch. This one, and this one, and this. That one. I'm gonna eat it all.
Phew, what a relief. But how do I stack all these up? That's right. There's a secret place in the ice cream factory. Let's use that. Poi Poi Pink Fong. The ice cream is about to fall!
My ice cream! Be careful!
No! Phew, what a relief! Phew! Wobble, wobble! The ice cream is finally ready!
That looks yummy! Shall I give it a try? Oh, it's so cold, my teeth are tingling. It's so yummy. Huh?
Excavator, what's wrong?
Oh, bathroom!
Excavator must have a tummy ache from eating too much ice cream. Did you see that, friends? No matter how hot or hungry you are, you shouldn't eat too much ice cream. Come back next time for more ice cream. Bye! Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Search for Ping Pong on YouTube.